Don't let the chaotic traffic flow of traditional food trucks ruin your business. Siristar's factory utilizes a layout designed with efficiency in mind. Open the door and you'll see not just scattered equipment but a meticulously designed assembly line that generates profits. The core operating area features a golden triangle design. The left-hand refrigerator is nestled against the work surface, allowing you to pick up meat and vegetables with ease, reducing travel time by 30%. The center grill and deep fryer are embedded in a custom steel frame, directly connected to the exhaust duct below, keeping fumes off the countertop and making cleaning twice as fast. The right-hand delivery counter seamlessly connects to the warming cabinet, allowing customers to go from order to pick up their food in just 2 steps. During peak hours, an order can be processed in 30 seconds. Even more thoughtful is the equipment height, precisely adjusted to the chef's height, between 85 to 90 centimeters, no bending over to stir the wok or lifting your hands to cut vegetables, saving you 3 hours of fatigue a day. Whether you're selling burgers, barbecuing, or launching a popular coffee cart, we'll custom design it to your exact needs. Want a hidden sink? We'll pre-install plumbing connections. Want an oversized refrigerator to store ingredients? We'll adjust the cabinet size to fit the work area. Even if you want a side takeout window, the factory will provide 3D drawings for you to try online. From cutting to commissioning, all 28 steps are fully visualized, allowing you to track progress on your phone without having to visit the factory. Want to know your budget for your own food truck? Leave a comment with your category, e.g., milk tea or fried chicken, subscribe to my account, and I'll send you a custom quote and layout diagram within 24 hours. Don't be slow, and you might have to wait for your turn.